Operation Sindoor demonstrated exemplary readiness and resolve of our Navy as our units undertook swift deployment and maintained a highly aggressive posture throughout the period. It is now not a hidden fact that we were just minutes away from striking Pakistan from sea when they requested stoppage of kinetic action. Through swift and resolute actions during Operation Sindoor, the Indian Navy reinforced the nation's confidence and trust in its capabilities. Besides Operation Sindoor and the relentless operational tempo through the year, we were also very proud to showcase the breadth and depth of our operational capabilities to the Honorable Prime Minister during the historic 17 hours overnight embarkation with the Indian Navy on the Western Seaboard. At the same time, the Indian Navy upheld India's commitment as the first responder in the region through various HADR missions undertaken at short notice and at challenging conditions, from Operation Brahma in Myanmar to Operation Sagar Bandhu in Sri Lanka, just to name a few. Sustained focus on Atmanirbharta not only enabled us to complete our transformation to a builder's navy, but also helped us gain strong momentum in capability induction with commissioning of 12 ships and submarines in a single year, roughly one new platform entering our service every 30 to 40 days. Yet today, we do not merely acknowledge the achievement of the past year, we also honor the success of the Indian Navy built through sustained efforts and quiet perseverance. At the heart of what we celebrate today lies the enduring foundation of our strength, our people, who through their commitment, character, and competence continue to serve the nation with distinction. The award winners for today and their feats, be it acts of gallantry, professional excellence, devotion to duty, distinguished service, or collective achievement, as a unit stand as an inspiration to one and all in our service and even beyond.